Would you like to learn how to draw the three bears? Just watch. Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another video in Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. Today I'm doing the three bears. Now this edition of the Three Bears is by author Paul Gallant. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can purchase the book or any supplies that you might need. Now please subscribe to my videos, like, and hit that bell so that you can get a notification each week when my new videos come out. Well, I'm not going to talk anymore because it's time to start drawing. So let's go! First, I'm making a circle for the head, and then I'm going to make an oval for the body, which is going to overlap the circle. I practiced several times going around until I can feel that oval. Now I'm going to make 4 skinny ovals, 2 for the arms and 2 for the legs. And then I'm going to make 2 little ovals for his feet. Now I need to make a circle for his snout and 2 half circles for his ears. 2 circles for his eyes. Now we're going to go inside a straight line and a U for his nose, another straight line, and 2 curving lines for his mouth. Now it's time to make 2 more half circles for his ears. Getting ready to clean up. I was getting ready to use my kneaded eraser or change this eye, but I decided to use my pencil eraser. And I put 2 smaller circles inside the eyes. I want to straighten up his shoulders a little bit. Not too particularly happy with them. And now I'm showing how to make the fur lines. They're just little zigzag lines, little close little zigzag lines, which make the illusion of fur. Another oval for his hand. Please excuse me because I didn't adjust the camera. I did it again. Now I'm showing you how to do the toes. They're wavy lines, about 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cleaning up some of the inside lines. I'm using the kneaded right now. Oval for his hand. Trying to fix the bottom of his neck and his head, side of his body. Putting those toes in on the left hand side, cleaning up inside lines. That's why I'm using pencil, because I can't do this with marker. Boys and girls, I do a lot of drawings when I try to get ready for my videos. And sometimes I gotta do a lot of cleaning up and correcting. Now I'm to my pen, I'm outlining, and he's done, and we're getting ready to start doing the real drawing. I'm going in, I'm outlining. This is a finished drawing. That's why I showed you how to do Papa Bear, because in this one, I am not going through doing all the steps. I don't want to have you here for hours on end. I want to get you here, watch my video, and get you out. My videos are long enough as it is. To tell the truth, when I was sitting down doing this drawing, I was working on it for about an hour and a half. Thank goodness to the magic of video and speeding up and editing and cutting. But I just want you to know, Mr. Smith does all of his drawings. I don't print anything out. Everything that you see is done by me, and I do several drawings before I can get to this final drawing. I have some drawings where I've added color and got to the end and didn't like it and did the whole drawing over. When I did the ugly duckling, the first one I had done, I had decided to make him pink. But then I said, he can't have a pink ugly duckling. He has to be white. Alright, working on my house, putting the roof on. It's just a simple rectangular house, triangular roof, chimney. I didn't make a cloud today, but I do have the smoke coming out the chimney. Now I always start coloring on the background. I think it's always best to work your way up from the back to the front. And I love this blue. It wasn't too dark, it wasn't too light, just right. Now, up there in the tree I have what you would call negative space. That is the space that is open that you see through the trees to see the sky. Outlining the house, smokestack, the tree, and then I'm going to do my one-stroke method. Starting to color in my apples. I don't know why I made an apple tree. I just thought it'd be a nice touch. I like the contrast of the red and the green. Red and green are complementary colors. That means they're colors that you would consider to be opposites, and when they are together, they vibrate, or they make each other brighter. You have red and green that are complements, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. One thing you probably didn't know, if you mix two complementary colors together, you'll get a brown. Whether you mix red and green together, orange and brown, or yellow and purple, they will all turn to a brown. Might not be the same tone brown, but they will be a brown. Alright, trying to work in this tree, get around those negative spaces and around those apples, not try to get on those branches. As a kid, this was one of my favorite stories. And it seemed like Baby Bear always got the worst part. Ate his porridge, broke his chair, and somebody was sleeping in his bed, and they're still there. Finishing up around Mama Bear, lining her snout, eyes, ears, one stroking her face, now her right arm, across her body, right leg, left leg. We'll come back and deal with her apron. Now it's up to Baby Bear. Quick outlining of his whole entire body. Using the one stroke method. Finishing up Baby Bear's face. Looking for any holes. Now it's time to do inside the snouts of Papa, Mama, and Baby Bear. Beige color. And going into outline. Eyes, nose, inside of ears. It's what I call the detail touches. These little touches tend to add to the character of the bears. Finishing up the little brown mountain behind Mama. I experimented on a separate piece of paper to see which colors really look better next to each other. I love the way that green sets off the bears. And I really looked hard for gray for the pathway that wasn't too dark, wasn't too light, was just right. That pathway leads straight up to that house and it just works out very nicely. We're almost there. Hey boys and girls, I'm done my drawing of the three bears. What do you think? Did I do a good job? I hope that you enjoyed doing your drawing of the three bears too. Hey boys and girls, did you enjoy learning how to draw the three bears? I surely had a good time with you here today. So please come back and visit Mr. Smith in the art room again, but please remember to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so that you can get a notification each week when my videos come out. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.